What do you guys know about mophie? Hey, what's going on people? Tech Jamo, quick video thing today. As you guys have already probably guessed, we are out here sponsored by mophie today. Now, for those of you that don't know mophie, they are a company that do bare different accessories for your smartphones, any other smart devices that you usually have. The most popular device I've ever known them for is their smartphone battery cases. You know, the case that you'd put onto your smartphone and then it would have a battery inside the case, so you would now have double the capacity. Pokemon Go times, we know we all needed those extra battery packs in it. So that's what I know them for, but obviously do bare different things. Check them out in the link in the description section below. Now, for today, they've hooked me up with one of their wireless chargers. Must have been after I did that 5 wireless chargers for Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So yeah, we got a late entry, but yo, let's get it unboxed, test it out and see what's really good. Alright, so let's check out that packaging. The packaging actually looks quite decent. We've got a fast charge here. We got compatible with Apple, Samsung, Google, LG, Motorola, and most QI enabled smartphones. So that's basically any smartphone that has wireless charging. Universal wireless charging up to 10 watts, which I think is the same as the official Samsung charger actually. So hopefully we get some rapid charging speeds there. Got the little, so it's got 2 modes. You can stand it up or you can sit it down and have like your AirPods or whatever on it. Premium finish, adjustable viewing angles apparently, non-slip, charges through lightweight cases. Anyway, you guys can have a little check of that if you want to. Let's get this thing unboxed though. Okay, whew, this is the bit I get. Oh yeah, nothing else in the box there, that's all good. Let's leave that to the side here. And this is the thing itself, fam. You know, when products just have that premium quality packaging, you already know that half the job is done, fam. But there you go, you got that mophie branding in the middle there. Can I get that off? Anyway, let me put this to the side for now. Let's see what else is in the box. Mophie loves you. Damn, okay. Oh, they show you that you push it and then you slide it up. All right, put that to the side as well. Got some little instruction manual here. Don't know. You can all read all of that if you need to. You've got this massive adapter. Damn. You've got this massive adapter, 3-pin as well, so the UK one definitely. And you've got this little power port here. And I think that is it for the box. That box is the highest quality box I've ever seen. There are some boxes that I just don't throw away because of the quality. This is going to be one of them. Alright, so let's have a closer look at this charging brick. Like, okay, got a little mophie logo going on there, fam. So they mean business, fam. You know a company means business when they label their charging brick. Like, they're full of themselves. They love it. They're loving it. And then this is the actual charging wireless thing here, fam. Like, boom. Look at that material there. What's that velvet called? What's that called? What is that called? Suede. Premium ultra suede finish. These man were not joking. So if I understand correctly, you slide this to one side. Which side do we slide it to? Do we slide it to this side? Must be slide it back to front, surely. Okay, so you slide it like that. And then what, you stand it up and you're good to go. That's it. You're good to go. Damn. All right, let's get some charging testing done. Right, here we go, charging test. So guys, cast your mind back to my top 5 wireless chargers for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This one won it because it was so cheap and it seemed to charge at quite a reasonably decent fast speed. So let's see if this big boy thing can beat this little boy thing right here. Right, so we're at 53% on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let's pop open that Ampere app. Here we go, measuring. Let's just make sure it's calm at first. It's even working. All right, okay, so let's try the dead one. There we go. You guys see that? We're getting 860 on this charger right here, 890. Let me just let it charge. We're gonna just let this charge to whatever the highest it can get to. Right, so it seems to be around the 920 mark when it's at 50%. Let me switch over to the mophie. All right. Let's go with the mophie ting. There you go. There you go. So you can see there that even at 53% where the charging should slow down, the mophie is still charging at a reasonably decent speed for wireless charging. Now, one of the other questions was, can it fast charge with a big boy case on? So let's charge for this. Let's try it with this see-through case. Let's put that on. Yep, it's definitely charging with that one. There we go. Okay, that case works as well. Yes, this OtterBox case. If it charges through this OtterBox case, I will be so surprised, fam, because this is literally 2 cases in one. There we go. Let's see if that charges. Wow. Through my OtterBox commuter case. This is a thick case, guys. This is a very thick case. It still charges. But yeah, there you go, guys. Big shout out again to mophie for hooking this up for review. That is the mophie wireless fast charging stand. Done know the done know. I'll catch you in the next one. Bless.